morning, students. Today we discuss the chemical properties of acids and bases. In the last class, we discussed the formation of acids, formation of bases, and formation of salts. The non-metallic oxides are dissolved in water to form acids. Examples of some acids: sulfurous acid, sulfuric acid, phosphorus acid, phosphoric acid, nitrous acid, nitric acid, and carbonic acid, acetic acid, weak acid. The metallic oxides are dissolved in water to form bases. Examples of some bases: sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, zinc hydroxide, etc. When acid react with base or base react with acid to form salt and water. This reaction also called neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. All acids turns the blue litmus paper into red. All acids are sour to taste. Sour to taste. All bases turns the red litmus paper into blue color. All bases are bitter to taste and soapy to touch. Soapy to touch. Okay. Next one. The color of methyl orange indicator. The color of methyl orange indicator in acidic medium is red color. The color of methyl orange indicator in basic medium is yellow color. Most important, students. The color of phenolphthalein indicator in acidic medium is remains same. It does not change. The color of phenolphthalein indicator in basic medium is pink color. Most important, students, pink color. Okay. Now the chemical properties of acids and the chemical properties of acids and bases. First, acid. Acids. Acids react with the base. Acid react with the base to liberate hydrogen gas. Acid, for example, 2HCl plus Zn. Zn gives rise to ZnCl2 plus H2. ZnCl2 plus H2. Here hydrochloric acid, two molecules of hydrochloric acid react with the metal, zinc metal, to form corresponding chloride, zinc chloride, and liberate hydrogen gas. Here see in our textbook, this is the diagram activity. This is a test tube, stand, delivery tube, and a trough. This glass top contains soap water. Take a test tube and place some zinc granules, zinc pieces in the test tube, and pour two or three drops of dilute hydrochloric acid in the test tube. After few minutes, after some time, a gas is evolved from this test tube. This gas transferred from a delivery tube and enter into the glass top. This glass top contains soap water. This gas escaped in the form of bubbles. Enter the burning splinter or burning candle in the presence of this gas, evolved gas. This burning splinter put off with pop sound. This is the test for hydrogen gas. When burning splinter enter into the hydrogen gas, thus burning splinter immediately put off with pop sound. That is a test of hydrogen gas. Next, bases. Bases also react with the metal to liberate hydrogen gas. For example, NaOH, sodium hydroxide plus Zn, 2NaOH, two molecules of sodium hydroxide react with zinc metal base. NaOH is a strong base. React with the metal, zinc metal. to form corresponding salt. Corresponding salt means Na2 ZnO2 Na2 ZnO2. That means sodium zincate. Sodium zincate. And liberate hydrogen gas. Acid react with any metal to liberate hydrogen gas. Bases also react with any metal to liberate hydrogen gas. Okay, this is the Na2ZnO2. That is the formula of zincate. Sodium zincate. Okay, students. So same diagram, same process. Take a test tube and enter the small pieces of zinc and pour 2 to 3 drops of sodium, dilute sodium hydroxide in the test tube. After some time, a gas is evolved. This gas transferred from test tube to glass top through delivery tube. Introduce the burning splinter in the presence of gas. The burning splinter immediately put off with pop sound. That is a test for hydrogen gas. Next one. Acids react with carbonates and bicarbonates. Acids react with carbonates and bicarbonates. Example of carbonates: sodium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, zinc carbonate. Example: sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. So acid react with Na2CO3. Acids react with carbonates. First one carbonates. Acid react to carbonates. Acid 2HCl, acid and 2HCl or Na2CO3 plus 2HCl acid, 2HCl acid, hydrochloric acid react with carbonate to form NaCl, 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 gas. When acid react with carbonates to form sodium chloride, water and CO2 carbon dioxide gas. When acid react with bicarbonates are metal hydrogen carbonates. Bicarbonates also called metal hydrogen carbonate. This is the metal, sodium metal, H hydrogen, CO3 carbonate. Sodium metal hydrogen carbonate, also called sodium bicarbonate. React with acid to form sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. Here acids react with carbonates and bicarbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates to liberate carbon dioxide gas. Test for carbon dioxide gas. Introduce this carbon dioxide gas into the lime water. Formula of lime water: CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide. Lime water, formula of lime water: CaOH twice plus CO2 plus CO2, carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas. Turns this carbon dioxide gas lime water into milky white. Milky white means CaCO3 precipitate calcium carbonate. CaCO3 plus H2O plus H2O. So introduce the carbon dioxide gas into the lime water. That lime water immediately turns into milky white. Milky white. This is the CaCO3. The color of CaCO3 milky white. This is the test for carbon dioxide gas. This is the test for carbon dioxide gas. Okay, here this diagram. See this diagram. See this diagram. Take a test tube. This is take a test tube and take a two test tube. Test tube A, test tube B. In test tube A, add some Na2CO3 and pour 2 to 3 drops of dilute hydrochloric acid. After some time, a gas is evolved and this gas is collected in another test tube. In this test tube, another test tube. That another small test tube contain lime water. That lime water immediately turns into milky white. So that evolved gas is carbon dioxide gas. In test tube B, same test tube in same experiment. In test tube B, add some NaHCO3, metal hydrogen carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate in the test tube and pour 2 to 3 drops of dilute hydrochloric acid in the test tube. After some time, the gas is evolved. The gas is transferred from delivery tube and enter into the another small test tube. Another small test tube contain lime water CaOH twice. Here CaOH twice. CaOH twice. That CaOH lime water immediately turns into milky white. So the acids react with carbonates or bicarbonates or sodium metal carbonates. Both are liberate. In both activities liberate carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas. Okay. Again, acids react with metal oxide or acid react with base to form salt and water. It is called neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Acid HCl acid react with base NaOH base. Acid is base to form salt NaCl and water H2O. It is called neutralization reaction. Okay. Acid react with metal oxide. Acid react with metal oxide to form salt and water, because this metal oxide is basic in nature. Acid react with base to form salt and water. Acid react with metal oxide. This metal oxide is basic in nature, so to form salt and water. For example, acid react with 2HCl acid react with metal oxide, that means Na2O sodium oxide, metal oxide, to form 2NaCl, 2 common this one, 2Na, 2Na2, 2Na, 2 common is 2Cl, 2NaCl plus H2O plus H2O. So plus H2O. This is also called neutralization reaction. Acid react with base to form salt and water, neutralization reaction. Acid react with metal oxide to form salt and water also, salt and water. Then base react with non-metal oxide. Now base react with non-metal oxide. Non-metal oxide is acidic in nature. Acidic in nature. So base react with non-metal oxide to form salt and water. That is also a neutralization reaction. For example, base 2NaOH plus non-metallic oxide, example SO3, sulfur triaxide. SO3 is a non-metallic oxide. React with base sodium hydroxide to form 2Na2 SO3 2O2 2H2 this goes to SO3 plus O SO4 Na2SO4 plus H2O Na2SO4 plus H2O. This Na2SO4 is a salt plus H2O. Okay. Yeah, chemical properties of acid and base. Acid react with the metals to form to liberate hydrogen gas. As base react with any metal to liberate hydrogen gas. Test for hydrogen gas. Introduce the burning splinter or burning candle in the presence of hydrogen gas. It is put off with pop sound. Again, acid react with carbonates and bicarbonates. Acid react with carbonates to form carbon dioxide gas. Acid react with metal hydrogen carbonate and sodium bicarbonate to give carbon dioxide gas. Test for carbon dioxide gas. Introduce this evolved carbon dioxide gas in the lime water This lime water immediately turns into milky white. This is a test for carbon dioxide gas. Again, acid react with base or base react with acid to form salt and water. It is called neutralization reaction. Most important 2 marks in your public examination. Okay. Again, acid react with metallic oxides. Acid react with metallic oxide to form salt and water. 2NaCl plus H2O. Again, base react with non-metallic oxide to form salt and water. Here 2NaOH plus SO3 gives us to Na2SO4 sodium sulfate plus H2O water. Okay student, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.